Ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills kila kem ya Ngut kirang ba, bat Ngut ki kena red halor ke jingkeno berngem, bat Pynjulor ya kawai ke homestay bakerteng ke og Risa colony. OSP ke East Khasi Hills ba Vivek Sim, ulo ong bala register artli ki kes, bat marmar lapha ki kinhon pulit banwadi kinong Shah Kem. Da ke jingit lang bat ki pulit na Assam bat West Bengal, la kem ki ha Ali Purdor ha Sngi blai, hadien ba lapin I hakmat ke ying bishar la Ioh Jamin ni kirang ba, kat bai ki kena red lapin I hakmat ke Juvenile Justice Board, OSP ulo ong ba wat la kila Ioh Jamin, Hynrei ke jing tokit kadang ya chakman, bat ansamudui da ke charge sheet hak bakloita.
With regard to the incident which happened in the homestay in the Risa colony by the name of Khubor, we had received a complaint on the 11th that about two people had threatened and vandalized the guest house, and they had left without making compensation for the same. A case was registered immediately, and a team was sent the very next day. That was yesterday, to trace these people. We had been in touch with the counterparts from Assam, SP Kokajar and SP Alipur Dwar, and in Sabuktala yesterday at about 4 to 5, between 4 to 5, we had intercepted these people by the name of Vikas Singh, Avinash Singh, Akan Pratap Singh, and 3 other minors, about 17 years old. After the interception by Alipurduar police in Sabuktala PS area, our team from here had gone there to Alipurduar and had arrested them and produced them in the court of the CJM in Alipurduar. However, as the offences are below 7 years, they have received bail. The minors also have been produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. Though they have received bail, arrest has been made. Investigation will carry on to ensure that we charge sheet them at the earliest.
Under what section?
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.